Leslie
and Lexi
here at Light Elegance headquarters in Redmond, Oregon. We're launching some brand new files.
Yes, woo!
Yes, files. Wow, it's
the backbone to your gel system.
To any system, your acrylic system. That is a nail professional's.
Yes.
Probably one of their #1 tools.
It is.
Anyway, we have our perfect file, which everybody likes, and our foamy file. We're adding 2 new styles of files to the Lexie, the Light Elegance line.
Yes.
I'm gonna let you start with the ones that you have because they're named after you. I don't know how
So
that
this is
happened.
called the Lexie Line file. Obviously, this is great with the Lexie Line product. So it will, as well as the perfect file too. But this is just a nice shape. Do people call this the boomerang shape?
It is called that. It's got the boomerang shape. It's got also the pointy down here. As some people say, the shape is like a Swiss Army knife. It has many different functions.
Well, not only the shape, but I think the file in general is like a Swiss Army knife because you can use it for so many different things.
Right.
You can use these files for prep work. You can use it for finish work. You can use it for shaping on the outside of the nail. You can get in with the cuticle. So people really like the shape. These files are 180 and 240 and 100 and 180. So whether you want to prep or finish, this is a great file for all of your needs. And it's called Lexie File, which is really cool and really cute.
It is, and it goes with the Lexie Line gel. Actually, acrylic users, anything, but you have your roughest grit, which is your 100 for those that you like to prep or to file through that acrylic or that gel. It'll cut through really fast. All the way up to
They're nice and stiff
foam.
too, which people like because you don't want a flimsy nail. They're very strong and sturdy, so you just feel really powerful when you're going through that.
Is that
gel
what it
area.
is? Yeah, I can see.
No,
that
I feel like a woman when I'm like. Roo, roo, roo.
But it is. So it has a new shape for us. So, but also we're adding a new finish file, which I think is really exciting because we don't have anything like this. This is a really thin file for your finish work. You can see how thin this is. So
They're so
once
cute.
They are.
They're
And
lightweight too.
once you can do your finish work around here, so it gets under there. It's really thin. What a lot of you are going to like about this finish file is it is a wood file.
Yes.
The benefit to a wood file is there's no padding. So when you have that
like
hardwood
this.
in there, it's going to speed you up. These go really fast. Time is money, so speed is awesome.
Well, and they're so lightweight.
Well,
so you can just kind of.
They're thinner. So there is no padding because with a wood file you don't have to have the padding. So then that way you can get under and do your finish work.
Great for toes.
Absolutely.
Since the little cuticles in your toes are so small, you can get up under those toes with this side. And it's just quick on that prep work for your toes. I love it.
And it comes in a 180, a 100 180, which is the white one. And the pink ones are a 180 220. So once again, whatever grit that you are comfortable with, all the way from 100 to a 220 in the finished file, we have it.
And 2 in these as well.
Exactly. So we have everything. Once again, Light Elegance is thought of everyone. All the grits. Everybody has their favorite grit for finish work or for prep work.
Yep.
So we've got that for you. So we now have the finish file, which is awesome, like you said, for pedicures.
Great for pedicures.
And you are really going to need these very soon. Tease.
Wink, wink.
More information on that later.
But you guys have been asking for different types of files for a while. The perfect file is great. It's a great all-around file, and that's
We still have it.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
and that's wonderful.
And the
It's
foaming.
wonderful. But people have been asking for options, different shapes, different grits, different weights. So we listened to you, and we brought these in just to complete our line for you guys, which is very important.
It makes us, we're very diverse. So
We
have
are diverse, aren't we?
Very diverse files. Anyway, order these files now.
Yes.
And we will get them out to you. And if you have any questions, always feel free to call us.
Absolutely. Thank you, guys.
Bye.
Bye.